In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan range for initial use. We will demonstrate how to light the pilots, verify burner operation, and equipment shutdown. We will also review initial operating suggestions, which include seasoning, burn-off, and general tips. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Note that the equipment must be completely installed and ready to operate before the checkout request is made, and it must be completed within 90 days after install. Wiping down griddle surface prior to use. Before using your griddle, the protective coating that was applied at the factory must be completely removed with a commercial degreaser. After a thorough cleaning, apply a high-temperature, salt-free frying oil, and you're ready to use the griddle. Lighting pilots and verifying burner operations of open-top burners, griddles, standard and convection ovens. All burner configurations are equipped with standing pilots, allowing for instant appliance use and low maintenance. Lighting should be infrequent, except during initial startup or after a full appliance shutdown. Open-top burners and griddles. Here are some of the key parts of the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range that will be utilized in this video. Turn on the main gas supply valve for the range to the on position. Light all standing pilots using a multipurpose lighter. For griddles, pilot access can be reached under the griddle plate through the slotted opening in the manifold cover near the burner valve knob. After the pilot is lit, turn the burner valve knob to on to ensure operation. Turn the burner valve knob to the off position to shut off the burner. The standing pilots will remain lit. If burners fail to light, turn off all valve knobs. Refer to your operations manual or call an authorized installation or service technician. Next, we will cover how to light the pilot on your range's oven base. Turn the thermostat to the off position. Ensure the main gas supply valve to the range is in the on position. Lift up the kick panel and rotate down 90 degrees. Depress the red button on the safety valve and light the pilot through the opening in the burner box area. Hold the red button down for at least 30 seconds. When the red button is released, the pilot should remain lit. Pilot flame must be high enough to heat the thermocouple. Return the kick panel to the original position. Note, if the oven fails to light, turn off all valve knobs. Standard ovens. To ensure your standard oven is operational, turn the oven control dial to the desired temperature to ensure operation. If using a V-Series heavy-duty oven, turn the gas valve knob to the on position. To turn the oven off, turn the oven control dial to the off position. Pilot will remain lit. Note, if ignition fails, turn the oven control dial and gas valve on V-Series ovens to off. Turn off the main gas supply and refer to your operation manual. Convection ovens. To ensure your convection oven is operational, turn on the fan switch. This switch must be flipped to on, otherwise the oven will not operate. Turn the oven control dial to the desired temperature and ensure operation. To turn off your convection oven, turn the oven control dial and fan switch to off position. Pilot will remain lit. Note, if ignition fails, turn the fan switch and oven control dial to off. Turn off the gas valve on V-Series ovens. After turning off both the fan switch and oven control dial, turn off the main gas supply and refer to your operation manual. Seasoning and oven burn-off. Seasoning is an important first step when using cast iron. Seasoning forms a natural, easy-release cooking surface that helps prevent the cast iron from rusting. It may take a little extra care, but well-seasoned cast iron is more durable. To season open-top burners, remove top grates from the range top to carry out initial seasoning. Do not season the grates while installed on the range top. Once grates are removed from range, apply or rub in a light coating of liquid vegetable or spray-type cooking oil to each grate. After seasoning, replace grates on the range. Turn on all open-top sections to low and allow to burn for at least 15 minutes before using pots or pans on the range top. Failure to season grates may cause grates to rust. Upon initial use, grates may show white coloring. This will go away over time with proper seasoning care. Use water and stiff wire brush on the grate, followed by immediate drying before the next seasoning, will help preserve the cast iron color. New ovens require a burn-off period to break in the oven and eliminate unappetizing odors from penetrating the food product. Turn on gas to the unit and set the thermostat to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the oven to operate at this temperature for 30 to 45 minutes. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan range. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.